Welcome back to my channel, folks. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. This is a flute that I'm going to have on the website today. It's in stock. This here is my special series low elf drone, double drone flute tuned to 432 Hertz. It has such a wonderful voice, folks. It's been produced with cherry wood, and as you can see, this is high quality cherry wood. It's very easy on the mouth. It has my eagle fetishes on it with turquoise, genuine turquoise eyes, and it's been wrapped with very soft black deer leather. The finger holes on it's just beautiful. You shouldn't have any problems. And this is a 1 1/8 of an inch bore, and the flutes themselves, they have not been split. This flute's been bored out with the gun drill, folks. It will last you a lifetime. I'm going to have it on sale today, and I have the link below this video. I'm going to do a very short sound sample. Thank you so much, folks.